Where is Daud Kim? Let's see if Daud Kim is here. Where is Daud Kim? Habibi, come to Global Village. मगर katanya we'll go to Chinese Imperium. Ke Japan di. Mao Zedong ke Korea da. Korea, this is K-pop, something Korea. Where is Daud Kim? Let's see if Daud Kim is here. Sada, Syria. Dalek Korea. Oh, sorry, my friend. Those are Korean glasses. Where is Daud Kim? Okay, so we have some Korean. Okay. Taras Koreai kali. Arab wam. ته چې اوس په ویډیو کې وګورې چې یو نفر کالي خرڅي هغه ګورې ښه ودرې چې زه پوښتنه ځینې وکړم زه حبیبې ته رانیسم یو جوړه. Where can I see the prices?
Sir, that one is 200.
Not this one. I have a little girl, 1 year old, Habiba. So I think maybe I can buy some Korean clothes for her.
For the 1 year old, we have only 1 and 2 is 230. And the rest is big.
So this is for one, but I don't think she's so high.
This is they call 1 and 2, sir. 1 and 2, 2.
Okay. And this one costs
230
dirham.
Yes.
Okay, I thought Korean money. Okay. It's only this one, or you have the hat or some jeans or something?
No one.
Just this one.
Yes.
Yeah, it's too expensive.
Sir, this is the last one.
Okay, no problem. Thank you. 250 for only one piece. Maybe next time. A question is a good question. Where is Afghanistan? It should be in the first place when you enter, but they had put Italy and Australia, USA. Those were the countries when you came in. Let's see if we can find them. So we have reached Japan and its neighbor country here. Japan, and then we have Afghanistan. Thank you so much, Afghanistan. Sure. Mini World, you have also Mini World right there. On the other side you have Oman. So we have this Kabul stuff here, and soon I will be in Kabul again in 2 days. Actually tomorrow, then I can see all this on Sharino. Assalamu alaikum and wala la jina wala mashallah shay khair barakat barakat. Okay. All of these things you can see it in Sharino and not so. Assalamu alaikum Haji Sahib. Anar di the Kandara or the Iran. اجازه ده چې صاحب سلام علیکم خیر جوړ ته اجازه ده مهرباني دا خدای سره دې کنه واپس دا تاسو دې کنه دا تاسو قریه ده تاسو او دا شان دي دا وانګو منګي وو ټول شان ده اوس زه راسم کوم بیا دې ته نقشه کوم فلم واخصه ده دا وای باندې څه زما د زړه سره کنه دا تا جوړ کړی دی دا ټول کم ځای کې جوړې کم ځای کې تاسو د اصلن د افغانستان ما د غزنی ما د غزنی او غزنی جان ښه کاریګر خلک دي ما ته امر خدمت اجي سره سره ما ته غواړم سماوار خو تیار دی کچای شي راځه کېږي دا Afghanistan, brother? You from Afghanistan? Where you from? Ghana. I thought you were from Afghanistan. See you, brother. Data mal da Afghanistan hai wa ya? Walaj. Why Ghana I am? Ghana ta chalo par ke aap jana. Assalamu alaikum Pira. Patsud yo pela chai. Taste pala ji. Sha the taste di. Yo dana wo tira di daga se kasami di. Yara khairi o se baba. Derzano chabal tawar sumah ta. Asha bazaka shay zaka. Afghanistan.
Yeah.
You can get some AK-47 training.
Okay, after my meet.
Yeah, you can. Sha sada. Wuzu. Pinzevish was poradi. Yeah, razia sada. What we saw in the Afghan tent was that there was actually the dry food. The music was something very special because it was only a tent where you had music and you had the carpets, you have the clothes and the dry food and some saffron and tea. Of course, because I am from the country, I know and I think and I believe that there are so many other things they were missing, but still that they're represented, that's a huge thing for the country. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. You have Africa just behind me. Assalamu alaikum, bhai. From Kerala? Oh, the same, huh? No, okay, okay. Global जितनी जोड़ पड़ेगी ऐसा global village. The price for entry is not so high, and there is so much you get for your time and your money. Habibi, come to global village. And has also music and dancing people. There's some cheap points to get there because everybody loves music, and this way you can attract many people there. Persian kebab, yeah, that's something good. Indian section, the flying carpet. Okay. Floating international market. You have it in a lot of countries. Very nice, lovely. global kirawani. Sign of UK, also this one. This is from Italy. And then you have Eiffel Tower. We have also been there. Check the other vlog here in the playlist in Europe. You have Taj Mahal there. And you have the end of the world, Sydney. So this was Pakistan, a lot of clothes and carpets, this kind of thing. Very interesting. Okay, let's see the next one we have. You have actually, I see here, you have Turkey, you have India, Lebanon, Malaysia, Iran, Syria, Jordan, Pakistan. Pakistan has a very big section, and then there are so many families, so crowded here. That's great. Where do you have Morocco? Where do you have Morocco and all the other countries? Like, I have been to a lot of countries from Europe, US. Okay, this is UAE. Okay, I hope they have Global Village there inside. I don't think they have Global Village inside UAE. A miniature. You have Italy, you have China, you have all the small and the great, the big countries of the world actually. You have their food, their cultural stuff, and very interesting. You can be here for many hours all day long. सारे एग्जिट है दिल तो नहीं हाँ एग्जिट है दिल तो नहीं वो आधा इधर भी सही है इतना आधा बाकी वो सब आ जाएगा دقيقة سنة العلاقة اللي رجيزي. I've been to Thailand. I will upload my Thailand vlogs later in Singapore, Malaysia and Thailand. I have made a lot of vlogs. Enjoy them later on this channel. I have also been in Saudi and drink karak chai, which is milk tea. America's box office is here. Okay, Cyber City. Arey yaar, salam alaikum. How are you, bro? Mashallah, where are you from?
GoPro, I am from Pakistan.
Pakistan.
It's GoPro?
Yeah, it's GoPro 12.
GoPro 10.
You know GoPro 12?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, nice. In which city you from? Afghanistan.
Afghanistan.
Yeah. Pakistan and Afghanistan is like friends, brothers, yeah. Okay, bhai, what is your name? Habib Bank. You have the bank?
Yes.
Yeah. Assalamu alaikum. What the Turkey? Assalamu alaikum. Turkish or Syria?
Blackberry.
Some blackberry
Juice Syria.
Okay, because in Turkey they have the same style.
Syrian.
But why Turkey? Our you sometime you go there, he come. But the same, yeah. Okay, mashallah. Blueberry, huh? Okay. You want some? You want to drink? I make for you. Where are you from?
From Syria.
You are أنت من سوريا أصلا. Okay. هل أنت تريد شاي؟ فأنا سأعمل شاي أفغاني لك.
حبيب قلبي عليك بالعافية.
هل أنت تشرب شاي الأفغاني؟
يا شرب. شاي اخضر ها؟
شاي اخضر. ايه ما شاء الله.
في نفر افغاني جوا معنا.
موجود. وهم دائما يشربون الشاي الاخضر هنا بدون سكر.
بسيف ما البليله بلبلوك.
اين افغانستان موجود ولا لا؟
جوا يا شوف
فيها يعني في سوريا لباس، تركيا ايس كريم، في مكان الافغاني كلاشينكوف. صح ولا لا؟ يلا سلام. مال پدا نورو کی به ملابس خرڅه هغه کی به ویری ګډس خرڅه شه دکان دی. السلام علیکم. اوه ما شاء الله بسم الله. اوف اوف اوه Afghanistan. Yes, the same to you. This is which one?
Food with honey.
Honey, okay. Bismillah.
Yes, for good man, my friend.
For good men.
Yes, for you.
MashaAllah, barakallahu feek. Like him. Yeah. My little brother.
Which one better?
Wala, I have a problem. If I take this one, I forget another one.
Big problem.
Yeah. No, I have. I never use this one. I use this European style, you know, like George Armani, all this. Because in Europe, this is for one country, I think. In Europe,
Where you stay in Europe?
in Denmark. Yeah, you know Denmark?
I know.
You want to come or you have been?
Only on the map.
It's small country.
I know.
Yeah. But Aslan, we are from Afghanistan.
Yes.
You from Syria?
Syria, Aslan, and we stay here.
In Dubai.
Inshallah, next year I will go for Syria.
I thought next year you will go to Afghanistan.
Afghanistan?
Yeah.
You can pray for me.
Inshallah, you don't pray, you just buy ticket and Bismillah. Tomorrow I have flight from Sharjah. Now a lot of people they come to Afghanistan now.
كنافة فريش بتبيض الوش وبتطول الرمش.
كنافة Turkish.
كنافة تشيز نابلس.
Palestine. I thought it was from Turkey. No Turkey. But maybe the same.
كنافة نابلسية. نيم كنافة نابلسية.
نابلسية من
نابلس فلسطين.
اوكي. أنا فكر كنافة أصلا من تركيا. يقولون تركي، يقولون هذا شيء تركي.
لا هذا شيء فلسطين.
اوكي.
هي نيم نابلسية.
اي نعم نابلس في
فلسطين.
نعم ما بستيش والهيل
هلا هي فستاشيو حلبي من حلب.
ما شاء الله. اوكي كويس.
وكنافة نابلس.
الغرفة الأفغانية.
انت وين are you from?
Afghanistan.
Afghanistan.
Yeah, you from?
Syria.
أهلا وسهلا أهل سوريا.
يا هلا.
ما شاء الله كويس الحمد لله. طيب نراك. السلام عليكم. اوه ما شاء الله وعليكم السلام. For men or women? Men. اوكي ما شاء الله كويس. دا غدي دی دا جباري تسوي دي الافغانيه بمنیک د ګرد ورته سلام دی. Whether you like it or not, all over the world where I have been, all people they salute Afghanistan. Oh, something for kids. We have a lot of families here, but nothing on the stage. अरे यार ओहो यार तुम उधर शो करता है क्या? मजे करो यार. Very good. That was the guy. He was singing while selling something. Wait.